Speak of the devil, understanding a curious English phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and slightly mysterious English phrase, talk of the devil. This phrase is often used in conversations, but what does it actually mean? Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it correctly in everyday English. Talk of the devil is an idiomatic expression used when a person appears just as they are being talked about. It's like saying that speaking about someone has magically caused them to appear. This phrase is often used in a humorous or light-hearted way. For instance, if you're talking about a friend and they suddenly show up, you might say, "Talk of the devil. Here they are." The phrase has an interesting history. It's a shortened version of the older saying, "Talk of the devil, and he is sure to appear." This expression dates back to the 16th century and is based on a superstitious belief that mentioning the devil might summon him. Over time, the phrase has lost its literal association with the devil and is now used more playfully. It's important to know when and how to use this phrase. Talk of the devil is best used in casual, informal situations. It can add a bit of humor or surprise to the conversation. Here's an example. "Alice, I haven't seen Bob in ages. I wonder how he's doing." Bob enters the room. "Alice, talk of the devil. Here's Bob." In some places, the phrase is slightly different. For instance, in the UK, people often say, "Speak of the devil," instead. The meaning remains the same. It's also worth noting that this phrase should be used carefully, as it might be misunderstood in cultures where superstitions about the devil are taken more seriously. Talk of the devil is a quirky and fun phrase in the English language, perfect for adding a touch of humor to your conversation. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and usage. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture and idioms. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.